Leon Authentic Mexican. As a restaurant we discovered, here's the facade and the inside looks good. Yep, it's an authentic Mexican restaurant. It's really good. It's by Clean Fuel. Yep, I discovered it. I was browsing Facebook and I saw their page. Look at that. Yep, and here, check it off. And I was surprised they actually do events or they do catering in like Faith Academy. And the thing is, three of my sisters and my younger brother went to Faith Academy. So Faith Academy is really close to our heart. And seeing these pictures, oh, it brings back really good memories and fun memories. As me and my dad used to drive them to school until, of course, they got to drive, so they started driving their own. I kept checking their page. They also do catering on events, so if you want a Mexican style birthday, you know who to hit up. Check out Leon's Mexican restaurant. Here's the page and Instagram. We'll have link in the description below. So now let's drive along via Waze. Here, start from EDSA, corner Ortigas by Robinson's Galleria. Keep going eastward by Ortigas Avenue. Keep going straight towards the east, and then you hit up the Cainta Junction, which is Felix Avenue intersection. Keep going straight, and then you hit up a Y. When you if you turn right, that's going to Taytay. I see there, that's Taytay Diversion Road. But we're gonna choose the left side, going up to Antipolo. We keep going straight. Yep. And then once you're up top, there's a small Y junction there. You take the right side. That's by Inares. And you're gonna see the stadium of Inares is over there. Inares Center is over there visible. And just right there, a corner later, Clean Fuel is right here, and Leon Mexican restaurant is over there nearby. Here you see this Clean Fuel gas station, which is parked inside there. And by here you can see Leon Authentic Mexican restaurant. Yep. So now let's go inside. Let's go, let's go. First thing I saw is this mural. It's really, really cool looking, really nice, really, really Mexican. As you look around, it's quite cozy. It feels really good. You feel relaxed. You know, it's not really like, something like a cafe, but it's quite cozy and welcoming. It's like as if you made a stopover when you saw a cantina by Baja, Mexico. This is how it feels. Except the walls here will probably look nicer than over there. So here it has a good finish. Here, see the mural. It looks really, really good, right? Okay, now here we ordered. Here's what I had: the carne burrito, of course. My mom and Phil had vegetarian burrito, and my sister had pollo burrito, and also Maya. Here, my dad got carne asada plate, and my brother chimichanga plate. Of course, me and brother said we had need appetizers. We had mojos. Here's the Mexican mojos. It was actually really, really good. The spices are not too light, but not too strong that it's overpowering. It's just perfect, and the dip is like really, really good. Here's my brother's chimichanga rice. Oh yeah. And look at the serving. There's a lot of rice. It's really, really good, right? We're actually really stuffed after this. Here's my brother's video. And it's good when you hear my brother whisper out chimichanga. I didn't notice that until I saw this video, so it was really cool and funny. But yeah, this was actually really good. Here's the rest. Here's my mother's and Phil's vegetarian burrito and pollo burrito for my sister Ria. This looks so good, right? Yep. And of course, here, my carne burrito. Oh, this is so filling. The Mexican rice is like so, so good and perfect. Yeah, my dad's. Oh, here's still Maya's. And here, Anna's quesadilla. I had a bite. It was really good. It was like super cheesy, but perfectly blended with all the right spices. Yep. Here, my dad's carne asada plate. Oh, this one looked really good. It smelled really good. My brother actually wants to come back here. He want to try that, so I definitely will come back here with him. Yes, we had good food. The serving is really plentiful, so we were surprised it's such a good place. Yep. And yes, like I said, we're definitely gonna go back here because look at this. This is what we saw. Oh yeah, you gotta have some of that. And of course, as I browsed their page and their menu, their fried chicken has three different spices levels: light, medium, and spicy. I want some spicy wings, right? Chicken is good. Yes, Leon Authentic Mexican. These are actual pictures. Yep. And link will be in the description for their Facebook page. You can check out all the good stuff there. And also their Instagram. If you notice here, you gotta check their IG story for the must tries. It's gonna be really, really good. Yep. So we're glad we found this. It's a new place for the family to enjoy. We'll be back here more often. It's gonna be so, so good. And on the end screen, we have a playlist of this. Like here, we went to this Batangas Lomi that we found in Antipolo. Yes, we'll have a drive along ways for that. In the description of the video, look at that, actual pictures. And here, Sarap sa Taktak was also a really good place, a good spot. It's a fusion of Middle Eastern and Mexican food. And of course, local tapa silog. It's really good. Yep. And yes, here, Big Mike's, the diner style restaurant or diner style inspired restaurant. Here's my supreme burger. Look at that. Yep, all the good stuff. Yes, I'll also have a drive along ways video on the description when you watch it. Yes, and here Ellipsis Coffee. This was a good surprise. We had good coffee, but we're surprised it had excellent food too. Look at that. Clubhouse sandwich. Oh, perfect. And of course, the barista Albert suggested for my brother Ray to try coffee art because they always welcome that. Barista Albert did this for me. My ube latte. Oh, looks so good, right? Yep. And here's my brother's version of his art. Yep. So yeah, you can click here for that. And yes, of course, it's gonna be so fun. And of course, thanks for watching and subscribe so you can check out all the good stuff here. All right. See ya.